Hi guys and welcome back to Spicy London Kitchen. Today I will show you how to make quick and simple saag. This is perfect for those who do not have enough time on their hands. So let's begin. Here I'm using tinned spinach. It's for perfect for those in a rush who don't have enough time on their hands. Of course you can use fresh spinach, but that might take a bit more time. I have a whole fresh tomato, a whole medium onion, some oil, salt to taste, some garlic cloves, and some fresh chilies. I'm now going to add in some oil, half a glass of oil into the pan. This is on medium gas. I'm just going to let the oil heat up. Just giving the oil a swirl in the pan. I'm now adding in some garlic, which I sliced. Mix it in with the oil. And now I'm adding in the sliced onions and then mixing in with the garlics. I'm just going to saute everything until it's light brown. And now I'm adding in the chopped tomatoes. I'm adding in fresh tomatoes. It's full of flavor. This is vine tomatoes, by the way. It's just full of flavor. And now I'm adding in some salt. Now you can add in salt according to taste. Everyone has different tastes, so this is how much I've added in. Again, this is on medium gas. And now I'm adding in the saag, spinach. As you can see, it's been in a tin, so that's why everything's together. You just break it into pieces. Just get rid of the chunks. And then just gently mix everything in together. Just take your time when you're doing this. It can take some time. And just gently give it a mix. I'm now going to pop the lid on for a few minutes and let everything cook through. I've also added in some fresh chilies. I'm sure you could see through the lid just before I popped it on. There's one cool trick that my mom taught me is to know how to know when your saag is ready. So as you can see, there's water on the lid from the steam that's been created inside the pan. Once it trickles down the lid, you know that the saag is ready, that everything's ready inside. I'll show you just now. So this is what I was referring to. As you can see, there's little streams, trickling streams underneath the lid, just going downwards. This just shows that it's been cooked through and that it's ready. So that's some cool trick that you can use as well. Give it a try. And now the saag is ready. Just giving it the last stir. And now you can plate up. Smelled amazing at this time. There you go. Just take your time. Plate it up nice and slowly. And there you have it, guys. Your quick and simple saag is all ready, all done under 10 minutes. That's some quick dish that you can make. Good for those in a rush. Look at that dish, it's just brilliant. All the fresh tomatoes, fresh chilies just popping through. Give it a try, guys. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next episode of Spicy London Kitchen. Make sure you remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.